Hi everyone, sharing another SAP Business One tip. Leaving your computer unattended without locking, it can pose a security risk. To help protect your data, SAP Business One allows users to manually or automatically lock the SAP Business One screen. To manually lock the screen, click the lock screen icon on the toolbar. To enable automatic screen locking, go to Administration, System Initialization, General Settings. Under Services tab, set the screen locking time and click Update. This helps secure your system and prevent unauthorized access while away from your desk. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload new SAP Business One tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.